Hey there, I'm Christina with Lion Digital, and I hope that your day has been going well. Mine has, and I hope the same for you. I have a quick video that I wanted to share with you, and it shows you how you can rank higher in Google and get way more customers in the door. So I see that you have a few locations. Listen, this is a great tool to bring customers to all of your different locations. I had a few businesses in the past myself, and I know how it is trying to keep that consistent stream of clients coming into the door. So hopefully this can help you bring more peace in that aspect. But I wanted to go ahead and share this with you. I have three things that I want to help you with, and this is content, citations, and backlinks. So let's go ahead and get started with content. So I'm on your home page, and I see that you have about 200 to 300 words on your front page. Ideally, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words on your front page and 500 to 750 words on your back pages, which is your services pages. So content is everything that you see highlighted here. It's the words, it's the pictures, and it's the words behind the pictures. Getting that content up, and also not just any content, but keyword rich content. So next, I want to show you about your pictures. Let's see how they're saved. Let's see. So this one is saved as download. Ideally, you want to save your pictures as keywords. So the things that your potential clients are searching for when they are in the search engine, those words are ideal to put when you are saving your pictures. So that's what I wanted to share with you about content. The next thing that I wanted to share with you is about citations, which leads us to the map section. But before we get there, the ad section, I wanted to give you some tips about the ad section. So advertisements, paid ads are good. They're very good to have, but they're good to have supplemental. So they're great, but they are definitely not everything that you need for the whole piece of the marketing plan. But it's good for a supplemental. So, and the reason why I say that is because when you have just paid ads, and that's the only means of bringing in clients to your website, you miss out on a big chunk of customers, because you can, as you know, there are a lot of people that have ad blockers installed in their web browser, so they don't see your ad at all. Or there's just people that scroll right past advertisements, because that's just what happens in these days. So that is what I wanted to share with you about the ad section. The next thing is the map section. So in the map section, as you can see, it's great to be at the top, because that is where a lot of people click. So I know you're probably thinking, how do I get at the top? So let's talk about citations. Citations are the name, the address, and the phone number. So having these citations around the web in different directories are very useful for getting at the top. Citations can be put in different directories, for example, like Yelp and Facebook, things like that. Putting them around the web and putting them where your competition is putting their citations, and even more. So that is a tip on that. Now we're going to get to the next thing, which is backlinks. So that brings us to the organic search section. And as you know, being on the first page of Google is ideal, because, hey, that is where most people click, and that's where these companies and on the front page are getting most of their potential clients. This is where they're getting most of their business. So this is ideally where you want to shoot for. And one of the keys to that is backlinks. So I'm going to show you your backlink profile. This is your backlink profile, and as you can see, you have 57 referring domains, 615 backlinks. So it's good to have a good amount of referring domains and backlinks, but it's not only about the quantity, it's about the quality. So as you can see, and organically, you're bringing in 112 potential clients every month to your website. And it's gone down, as you can see, but yes, 112 approximately in the past month that you brought in, and this is okay. I'm going to show you exactly what is bringing that in with your keywords. So let's look at the specific keyword terms that are bringing in a certain amount of people. So as you can see, Raleigh Roofer, 300 people search specifically Raleigh Roofer in Google every month, and you get on average one person from that 300 because you're on the second page of Google, and that shows with different keyword terms. Let's see, Raleigh Roofer, then we have Roofing Raleigh, 90 right here, and you're not getting anything from that 90. Roof APAC, 70. Even Georgia Roof, there's 80 there. Roofing Contractors in Alpharetta, 250 people searching for that approximately every month, and you're not getting any of that because you're probably on the third page of Google here. So I just wanted to show you your potential of what you could be getting and why you're not getting it because of where you are in Google. So I'm going to give you some insight on that from your competition. So as you can see, this is one of the top competitors in Raleigh, and they have 184 backlinks and 33 referring domains. And like I said before, it's not only about the quantity, but it's also about the quality of backlinks. And so they have a very good quality of backlinks here because they are high on Google, and because they are high on Google, they're getting 682 prospective clients every month coming into their website, which is bringing in a lot of business, as you can imagine. And I'm going to give you some insight into how they are bringing that in, specifically with certain keyword terms. So let's take a look at it here once it pulls up. Okay, so here we have Raleigh Roofer. Approximately 300 people search for that every month. They're getting 45 clicks from that because they are third in Google on the first page. Roofing Companies in Raleigh, 300 people search for that approximately every month, and they're getting 42 from that because they're on the first page of Google. And you can see from different keyword terms, they are on the first page of Google, and so therefore they're getting a lot more traffic. And this is what is being missed out on when you are not on the first page of Google. And so I wanted to give you some insight into that and just show you your potential and what you could be getting, and some tips on how you could get there and get you. I really want you to get there and get way more customers in the door, because this is a way of growing your business way bigger, as you can see. So if you use these tools, please let me know how they work, and let me know if I brought value to your company, or if you just want to know more and you want help from me and my team. We can definitely help you execute it perfectly. We have a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge on this, so we can definitely get you there where you need to be on the first page of Google. So that is all I wanted to share with you today, and yes, so I hope you have a great rest of your day. Alrighty, thank you.